back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. So today we have a really special recipe. This is going to be an awesome homemade tuna melt on the 22-inch Blackstone Flat Top Griddle. And I know what you're thinking. Oh, tuna melt, that's very boring and stuff like that. You just grab some canned tuna, you add a little mayonnaise, some relish. Babe said a little mustard, stir it up, put on some sourdough, and that's it. No. We are going to tell you and show you and hang out with you and talk about how you can just do a couple little simple ingredients to change it up, freshen it up, and really elevate your tuna melt game to the max.
Yeah, Babe.
Yeah,
This
babe.
is your idea.
Yeah.
Your research.
So sourdough bread, tuna, watch and see, couple simple ingredients. The link below for everything. The Japanese mayonnaise, top
Yeah, you
secret
gotta get some of
ingredient.
that.
Okay, ready? It's tuna melt madness time. Follow along. It's gonna be epic. I promise. All right, and here we go. All right, babe, it's ingredient time.
Okay.
So let's talk about it.
We have fresh dill, green onions, sourdough bread, which does make the best. Rye is also good, but sourdough is really good. Dijon mustard, pepper, salt and pepper, Kewpie mayo, link below. Get yourself some, you won't regret it. We have the solid white ALBECOR in water, no oil, that's yuck. And I guess that's it, babe, huh?
Yeah. Oh, and what about the cheese? We were debating Havarti. I think cheddar.
Cheddar, I like Swiss, but we'll do whatever you like, babe.
Okay, babe, we'll see what kind of cheese we use.
Today we were at Costco, and I offered David $2 to try the sample of sardines. Right? Of
Yeah.
Sardines.
Yeah.
And he did it, and he loved it. And I was like, that was a fail. And then the only person who suffered was me, because I had to smell his fish breath the whole drive home.
And your $2 broke.
And I lost $2. All right, so we're trying to decide how much to use. Now, dill is a very strong herb. So depending on how much you like it, I mean, if you're eating dill, you like it. That's all I have to say.
And you don't want the stems.
You don't want the stems. You just
No
take the
seeds,
little-
no stems. How does it go, babe? No seeds, no stems, no sticks.
I guess so. So I think that looks pretty good.
Yeah, and you're going to chop that
And I'm
super,
gonna
super
chop it
fine.
really fine. Yeah.
Hi, welcome back to Babe's Knife Skills 101. So you want to chop it really, really fine, and then that's going to go into our mix.
Green onion. Green onion's pretty mild.
So as Babe's cutting the green onion, of course, if you have more tuna, you add more. That was just one, little, that's not a little can, that's a large can, but
Yeah.
we're only making one, maybe 2 sandwiches.
All right, we're gonna go with a tablespoon of onions, finely chopped green onion. Okay. Next up, we're gonna do our salt and pepper. That's probably a teaspoon of salt. About a teaspoon of pepper. And this is depending on how mayo-y you like.
Is that a word?
tuna.
Mayo-y?
How wet you like your tuna, okay?
Oh boy, babe. I would say that is actually perfect.
Okay.
And of course, you want to get that super mixed up.
I'm gonna put
That's good.
a teaspoon and a half of Dijon mustard. The taste tester. The man, the myth, the legend.
Yeah. It was so good. It's so fresh. Tiny bit more Kewpie mayo.
Okay.
And we're in the game, and it's time to Blackstone.
All right.
Okay, babe, it's time to build the sandwich, and then we'll go outside of the Blackstone
Okay.
and make it.
Okay.
So the real awesome trick here is to use that Kewpie mayo on top as your grilled cheese. Don't use regular butter, although regular butter is delicious. The Kewpie mayo really gives that extra silkiness, richness, and on sourdough bread when it's toasted, it's incredible.
Fair amount of tuna on each one. And you can get your tuna all the way to the end. All the way to the edge.
You want every bite to be luxurious.
Yes, you do. Luxurious, babe.
That's a real frickin' tuna melt right there.
Just start feeding the neighborhood.
Yeah, is that what we should do?
Well, since we don't eat it all, I feel like we should go feed the neighborhood.
Just walk over and knock on people's doors. Hello, would you like a delicious tuna melt made with fresh dill,
Yeah.
fresh green onions, some sharp cheddar cheese,
Yeah, and we could video it and see what
some
people
sourdough
say.
bread, and some Japanese mayonnaise, salt and pepper, little
See how-
Dijon mustard.
See how people respond to kindness. They'd be like, "What? Is there poison in it?" That's. And we're like, "No, we're just nice people." Okay, I'm gonna put the topper on.
We're almost out, babe.
I know.
We need to click the link below and buy some more ourselves.
Yes, we do.
Gonna have to spread that around.
Okay.
Yum, babe. Mm-hmm. Then we're gonna go out and get that on the Blackstone.
Yeah, babe. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's go outside.
Another thing that I like to do when I eat tuna sandwiches is put potato chips in them. If you haven't tried it, try it. You won't regret it. It's very yummy.
Let's Q-pie mayo the other side and flip it.
Yep.
Ooh, look at that crust on there, babe. Toasted sourdough, sharp cheddar. Ooh.
All right, babe, it's all done. It's toasty on both sides. So let's cut it. Hear that perfect little crunch. That's what the mayonnaise does. It's just different than butter. Oh yeah. It's perfectly melted right into the tuna. The tuna's hot. Hey, babe.
It's the moment of truth. The thumbnail has been taken.
Okay.
If you made it this far in the video, thank you. We appreciate you.
It is good.
Of course it's good. I told you. Is that not better than just adding some relish mayo, stirring it up?
I don't like dill, but I like this.
Yeah, babe. It's awesome.
It's actually really good.
And it's super fresh. It's perfect for the weather today.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Did you know that 76% of the people that watch our videos are not subscribed?
No, I didn't.
You know what I have to do, babe?
What?
Bing! Okay, now we eat. Hot. Smells awesome.
Good?
I put that tuna melt against anybody's.
Yeah, I
It's
agree.
ridiculous.
It's good.
It's ridiculous, babe.
No, I like it. It's
The
yum.
Japanese mayo is the jam. That's a secret. The green onions, the dill.
The dill I like. I mean, it
told
wasn't
you.
too much. It wasn't overpowering. That was my concern. Was that it would be overpowering. Good?
But it gives that freshness. And you didn't put too much.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit.
I thought that was the perfect amount for that large tuna can.
I love how dill smells.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right,
Okay.
everybody. Thank you. Babe says thank you.
Thank you. Try this at home. It is pretty yummy
We're going to go feed the neighbors, apparently.
and it's easy. And it's not expensive.
Yeah. I'm good.
It's a great snack. Okay.
All right. We'll catch you on the next one.